Good morning, everyone. Happy e-learning day. Hopefully you are all enjoying the weather and getting a good start on your coursework that you're going to be working on over the next couple weeks. I wanted to give you guys a fun, quick video to look at and learn a song on your instrument that you might recognize. I'm sure every fifth grader in the band probably knows the song Old Town Road, so I wanted to have you guys have a chance to learn it this week just for fun. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a quick video that has each of the parts that have the music for Old Town Road. And you can follow along and learn how to play it. I'm going to play it twice. I'm going to play it at a slow tempo, and then I'm going to play it at a fast tempo so that you can play along. Feel free to rewind, go back, watch the video a couple times if you'd like to learn how to play it. So here on each part, you're going to see there's a flute part, an oboe part, a clarinet, and an alto saxophone part for the song Old Town Road. As soon as I'm done playing each part, I'll slide down and then you can see the other instruments. So if you'd like to fast forward straight to where the trumpet or the trombone or the percussion part is, that's fine. If you'd like to just watch the whole video, that's fine as well too. So I'm going to play it 2 different times and you can follow your line, either the flute part, the oboe part, the clarinet part, or the saxophone part. And you can listen along to how it goes. So here's the slow version of Old Town Road. All right, now let's play it a little quicker. All right, so feel free to rewind and play it back if you'd like and listen to it and follow along. The most important thing when playing this song is to remember, if you think about how the words go, I'm gonna take, how that first starts. If we're thinking eighth notes, we would think T, 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 ta. And there's a quick eighth note rest at the beginning. So if I count it off, it would be 1, 2, 3, I'm gonna take. Or 1, 2, 3, T, 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 ta, 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 T, T, etc. So feel free to follow along. Anytime you see a rest, quarter note rest, make sure you take a breath, and then you'll be good to go. Let's slide down and look at the trumpet, French horn, trombone, and tuba line for the same song. I'm going to play it 2 times. First play it a little bit slower, and then I'll play it a little quicker the second time. Now I'll play it one time a little quicker. All right, now let's slide down lastly here so we can see the percussion part. Down where it says Glock, that's short for Glockenspiel, or the bells part. So feel free to follow along and look. We're going to start slowly, and then I'll play it a second time a little quicker. Here we go. And now lastly, we'll do it quick. Here we go. All right. So that was Old Town Road, played at a couple different tempos for each instrument. If you'd like to rewind the video, go back and rewatch it. That'd be great. You can play along with it just for fun. This is in addition to the other activities that were posted on my band website, including just your hopefully practicing 20 minutes a day just to keep up with our muscle structure and our overall playing ability over the next couple weeks of being off from school. And then also keep working on those band achievement challenge songs. When we get back, we can try to pass those off really quickly. I bet we're gonna have a lot of students that make it a diamond musician over these next couple weeks and can play through those songs. And then also those enrichment activities that I posted as well, try to complete one of those if possible by Friday and fill out the Google form showing that you completed it. That's going to go a long way in ensuring that we're keeping up with our instrument and making sure that we're learning throughout this week. Check back next week and I'll have another video for another song you guys can learn how to play on your instrument. Looking forward to it. Have a great rest of the week, everyone.